Hello guys, here's Mr. Lego Dreamer with another tutorial, and it's fridge. Why fridge? Because of uh, because of Lego factories. Because they have put a fridge in just one set, and it's a bit too pricey. It costs $150 US, which is too much. If you need 10 fridges, that's 1500 US or euros, depending where you live. So I made a conclusion that I need to make a tutorial or something like that, how to build a fridge. So let's start with the pieces. You need one 4x4 plate, 4 of these 1x4s, 2 1x4 tiles, 1 window going on this side, you see, this tile piece, 2 1x1s, 2 1x2s, 1 tile piece with studs on the end, 1 2x2 tile, 2 of these corner tile pieces, and these 2 studs. So now we can start building, and here's our zookeeper looking for the banana in the supermarket for her monkey in the zoo. So let's start with building. First you would need this 4x4 plate, then you would need 4 of these, and put it like this on the sides of your fridge. Then you would need 2 of these, you see, and put it like this in front of your fridge. Then you can start with putting tiles like this, and this one goes here like that, and then you need the 2 of these, one, and put them on sides. Then you need 2 of these, so that's the first part of our fridge. We need the second and pretty smaller one. Okay, first we need these 2 of these 1x1 plates, put them on these places like this. Then this tile piece, you see, and then put these studs here. They would be like temperature regulators, and this is irregular Lego way to build things, but we will use it this time because we don't have enough parts. You see the gap, and you see this sticking piece. Just hold it like this. Okay, and there is our fridge. It's pretty much the supermarket fridge, but it works its job. And now we just need to put some things in it, like this can of cola, one more can, banana for zookeeper, and we could use these studs like oranges, and that would be your freezer. Pretty nice and easy to build. and minifig friendly. It's in scale. So that's my refrigerator mock and tutorial on it. I hope you like it. If you don't like, please say that in comment. And that will be everything for this tutorial. See you guys next time, and just keep building.